Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to log in to your Wise account on PC step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to wise.com. At the top right corner, click on the Login button. Now enter the email address linked to your Wise account. Then type in your password and click Next. If you signed up with Google, Apple, or Facebook, you can click the matching icon to log in instantly. If you have any issues, click on Having Trouble Logging In. There, you can reset your password or get help accessing your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Wise dashboard where you can send money, check balances, and manage your account. And that's how to log into Wise on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.